Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video, another dollar. This time I'm gonna go live with you guys to discuss about many things about the crypto space and try to explain to you why I'm still bullish on the Bitcoin. If you watching my last video, guys, do not forget please to watch it. I was explaining why the Bitcoin it can crash to 20,000, and as we see, guys, yes, it's holding this support, but that's not meaning it can hold for a long time. If there is no demand, guys, people get like really upset and really frustrated. So it's like, okay, let's dump it, and people sell it because we don't see a huge push up. So I believe, guys, we are not gonna see a huge bump maybe in next few weeks or month, because one things I have to share it with you guys, and it is very important. A big bullish pattern on USD dollar index chart puts Bitcoin at the risk of losing 30,000 K. And of course, guys, I showed you in the video yesterday, this is the pattern of the dollar and USD dollar, US dollar, and that's showing me a left and head and right shoulder, and that's a pattern is called head and shoulder pattern. And this line, guys, showing me is the neck, and if it's break out, it's gonna go up and come back, test it, and go way up to 97 dollar or 97 point, and that's something it could affect the gold itself, because the gold yesterday it trapped, guys. It's supposed to be the good hedge against inflation, but as we see, guys, the Bitcoin is not good hedge against inflation, and it as like really, if we go to one chart, guys, and we were talking about inflation, we will see something really good, and we see a really huge bump up for Bitcoin, and I believe it can go to 42, because that's a good sign for against or hedge against the inflation. So I don't think that, guys, that is gonna happen for the Bitcoin. People doesn't believe in it, and besides we have this cross too on the daily chart. Many things telling me Bitcoin is not gonna go with or go high for a while. And as we see, guys, here, these technical indicators give me like 10 technical indicators telling me to sell. I know most of you is like, if this indicator is giving me like sell sign, that's meaning time to buy. Not necessary, especially with something like Bitcoin doesn't have any intrinsic value. So most of the time it can go down easily, like a blink of eye. So it's just a matter of time, guys. And but there is something interested, and like I'm not worried about it. And yesterday I see the number of the 1000 Bitcoin wallet size increased, guys, almost like by from 47 2147 to 2170. You are talking about 23 big wallet added to the Bitcoin. I'm not worried about it, because it could be it's the same like that, and then the dump can happen. I'm not gonna rush, but I am gonna be concerned if we crossed the 2180 wallet, and that's telling me there is a big demand start to chase the Bitcoin, and it's gonna be more worry if the Bitcoin cross the 2234, which I'm gonna start like buy even my altcoin. Even it's gonna be higher a little bit, but it's okay, no worries. And as you see, guys, I'm gonna show you like some of the altcoin really I like it. One of this altcoin, and I'm interested to see it in the future, which is the Ethereum is gonna be the second king after the Bitcoin when if it crash, and that is in the case. And have a big faith is gonna something is gonna happen in the market, gonna shift the dominance from Bitcoin to the Ethereum. And Ethereum, if the Bitcoin crash to 20,000, guys, I can see Bitcoin, the Ethereum, it can go to 1300, or even to almost to 1000. If that's the bad scenario, and the really bad scenario, it can happen, it can go to 700, no than less than that. So we are watching that. I'm here watching the Ethereum closely, and I hope I see the Ethereum taking the dominance, because Bitcoin has a negative effect on the all altcoin. Some people is gonna tell me we are not in a bear market yet. Stock market is different from crypto. I understand that, guys, but technical analysis is the most important things for us, and I use this technical analysis to understand and estimate what is happening in the Bitcoin. As we see, guys, we came here as a support multiple times. Besides this, like I told you, that this cross, we have confirmation about we are in a bear market. It could be the prices go lower. Yes, it can go. One of the one I am watching really closely, it's HarmonyOne. Besides TRIAS, TRIAS is the only Chinese coin in China, and actually working on a blockchain. And actually, China approve or is using blockchain nowadays to enhance their economy and make their economy go growth and bigger. But as we see, guys, a couple of days ago or 2 weeks ago, we were at $3.50, and we broke it yesterday, and we went to almost $3. $3.01. So the all-time high for this coin, actually for this coin on the KuCoin platform, actually it went to $32. It came out from in the beginning $5-6 and went all the way down to almost 70 cent, and starting people start accumulated here and then start shooting up, because, guys, they have only 5 million coin, and that's nothing in the crypto space, as we know. And the crypto space is going to be more larger than that. It's just a matter of time, guys. We're going to see the market cap of the total altcoin later, maybe next year or something, back to the peak, and maybe exceeded. I believe it can go to 2.5, because, guys, that's the time now to make money, because we have inflation, and inflation is hitting everything. But what is stopping the cryptocurrency is the Bitcoin, I believe, and people doesn't have demand or interest in the Bitcoin. In last couple of videos, I shared that with you guys, and I told you more interest in the Ethereum more than Bitcoin. So I believe Ethereum is gonna take the dominance in the future. Small things I want to show you guys why the Bitcoin is more manipulated. As we see, guys, yesterday this is a whale alert, and whale alert, that's a pot on the Twitter. Show it to me every time what is happening, who moved his USDT from exchange or from DX to his wallet, to or unknown wallet, of course. As we see, guys, on 1 hour ago we didn't see anything interested, but there is something yesterday was really very interesting to me. I saw a big whale had dropped 13,000 Bitcoin. You're talking about almost $410 million. And another guy bought the same time, I believe, our before this one dump, he bought almost 2000, like $65 million. You're talking about big whales, guys. They are moving the market. Besides, guys, I need to show you another thing, the whale trade itself. Whale trade is showing me what is running or what is happening. And as we see, guys, like 26 minutes ago, someone got liquidated on Ethereum short. That's meaning when liquidated Ethereum short, because he shorted as a support, so the price now went up. And beside that, guys, we're gonna see something really um, very interested. Like 30 minutes ago, someone shorted. Before that, guys, someone like two shorted. Okay, no problem. Another one in the same hour, I believe. Like the difference between them, like a couple of minutes. One started long it by 1.5 million. The other one long it by 2 million. The other one long it by 1 million. Another one by 2.5 million. So, guys, there is a big whales play with big numbers, with millions of dollars. So I hope, guys, you understand we are in big risk in this time, in the risk zone. I am not interested in Bitcoin or any altcoin now till I see huge run. Of course, I can buy like on dollar average cost, but it's for me, it's gonna to be out is better. And I will show you something for you guys. MATIC, the most important one. MATIC went today to almost to if we go hourly, it went all the way down, guys, to 80 cent, I believe, or 0.78 78 cent from 88 cent, guys. You're talking about almost 11 cent. That's always gonna be good trade, like I mentioned in my last video yesterday. And I told you guys I was gonna take a trade, short trade to support, but I was like, no, I wanna sleep. And that's like seriously, it was late in the at night. It was like almost like 12, and I have to woke up for the stock market. So anyhow, guys, I believe the market still indecisive and doesn't know where it can go now. And I but my conviction is, and after my analysis, I believe Bitcoin is gonna dump, and beside that, Matic is gonna go to easily to 50 cent. And I if you are guys wanna buy, I will show you one of the way the investor do. So guys, here that's the 200 moving average. This is the green line, this the curve line. So what they people do, actually, they go to KuCoin, Binance, or any or Coinbase Pro, and they put a limit order. What's meaning limit order, guys? You put limit order here, and you just put, tell them like, I want to buy at this price. You're gonna get filled immediately if the price went to your price to your level. And you can add another price or another order at this price, and you can add whatever you want, whatever you believe it can go. So usually what I will do, I put here a little bit some of orders here a little bit, and the big one, or the half of the big one, is going to be here, and the last big chunk is going to be here. I like hoping it can the price go back here in one shot and go back up. So when I do dollar average cost, I'm not losing too much money. Actually, I'm making money. Even if it go down again, I am okay with that, because I am gonna be hold for long term investor. I'm waiting another wave to push all of this back up again to $2-3. But I am worried about Matic. If it's gonna be in next year, many competitors can beat Matic. If the Matic itself doesn't have a good project, or the project always become old and it doesn't have new advance to solve the problem of the Ethereum, another competitor like Optimism or Arpentium can take the lead and make the Ethereum really the gas fee go really so like not expensive anymore. So, and the of course, and the transaction is going to be faster than Matic. So that is the case we will watching closely. And the other ones, guys, as we see, you have like Mina protocol, and you have HarmonyOne, you have Solana. Actually, guys, the all-time low for her when this coin dumped, I believe it can go to $18 again. But if I am investor, I'm gonna buy at the 200 moving average. I will see to put my order and see if it bounce. If you are day trader, you wanna catch this bounce, but it depends about the Bitcoin and how it's gonna dump. So guys, I hope I covered with you many things, and I'm trying to make it so easy for you and to understand why the Bitcoin is the most important one. We have to watch it closely. I don't care about any of these other projects, because when the Bitcoin start pulling back or drop sharply, it can drag all the market with it. And that's why I watch Bitcoin more than anything else. And the volume, guys, in the daily is really dead. And as we see, we have like almost 5 hours, and I believe, guys, maybe another something, a news come and push it a little bit. But for how long, we don't know, guys, how long it can take the Bitcoin to stay above this level. If it broke, it can go all the way down. So I hope, guys, I covered many things with you, and thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe in my channel to get everything new about the Bitcoin and the crypto space itself. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.